What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to use Maestro Sniper bot on Telegram. Now to do this, the process is very simple, quick and easy. Just follow the steps I'll show you guys in this video. And I'll also provide the link in description for this bot as well, as there are a lot of scam bots right now and it's best to use the authenticated one and avoid losing any of your funds. Well, coming back to the video, once we're done with that, we'll hit the start button or simply type /start and it will show you this message right here. In order to access the board, we need to follow these two channels of this Maestro Sniper board. Once you follow them, it will show you this message right here. After that, simply go and type in /sniper and it will show you this kind of message that you have been authorized the access, and after that you'll be able to use the board. Simply go and type in /sniper and it will show you this kind of options and menu popping up right here. Once you do that, simply go and click on this wallets button right here, and here select the chain on which you want to trade on. Click on this generate wallet button, or you can click on this connect wallet button in order to import a Ethereum wallet. But we're gonna click on the generate wallet button here and it will quickly go and generate a Ethereum wallet for us. We can copy that wallet's address and use it to put Ethereum in our wallet using our other Ethereum wallet. Like for example, you can use your trust wallet, and once we're done with that, we'll go and see how to edit some of the settings for this boat. Click on this configure button and it will show you these two options, map protection and degen mode. We're gonna leave them as they are. Click on the buy option right here in order to configure your buying settings. Once you click on it, you will see tons of options popping up in front of you, starting with these three known as confirm trade buy, auto buy and duplicate buy. Now the ones that are useful to us are confirm trade buy and auto buy. Now the confirm trade buy option is when you want your bot to confirm the trade, and the auto buy option is that the bot will automatically buy according to yours settings, and the duplicate buy option is used when you want to buy the same token multiple times. And there are tons of settings that you can edit according to your own preference, such as minimum maximum liquidity, minimum maximum market cap, buying gas, price impact alerts, slippage amount. And to edit them is really easy. For example, in order to edit slippage amount, I can simply go and click on it, and here I can type in the amount that I want for my slippage and it will show you this message right here once you're done with that. And in order to now configure your settings, you can click on this cell option right here and it will show you similar settings. Adjust these settings according to your preference and you would be good to go and start trading with this bot. Now in order to trade, you will simply paste a token's address right here and a menu would pop up. For that, I'll make another video and you guys can go and check it out in my channel. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.